myself Devarapu Avinash, and I am from Ballari. I have completed my engineering in Samram Institute of Technology, specialized in computer science and engineering, and I have joined Jspiders Rajajinagar in January. And I got placed in a company with a 4 LPA, and my designation was software trainee in the company. And when I come to faculties, they are very helpful in Jspiders Rajajinagar, and they are very helpful in and faculty in Jspiders Rajajinagar are very helpful, and they are very helping in clearing the interviews. They are conducting grooming to recall the subjects, and also they are conducting the mocks for the students. And when it comes to HR, they are very helpful in applying for the companies, and they are very supportive to get all the information from the company.